which means that any organism with sufficient mass and cognitive capability is a potential vector. Is something wrong?
No, nothing.
Splendid, shall we?
That's a good idea.
Unfortunately, my usefulness to this particular endeavor has come to an end. Protocol does not allow units with my classification to perform a task as important as the reunification of the index with the core. That final step is reserved for you, Reclaimer. That wasn't supposed to happen.
Oh, really?
Cortana.
I've spent the last 12 hours cooped up in here watching you toady about, helping that thing get set to slit our throats.
Hold on now. He's a friend.
Oh, I didn't realize. He's your pal, is he? Your chum? Do you have any idea what that bastard almost made you do?
Yes. Activate Halo's defenses and destroy the Flood, which is why we brought the index to the control center.
You mean this?
A construct in the core? That is absolutely unacceptable.
Sod off!
What impertinence! I shall purge you at once!
You sure that's a good idea?
How dare you? I'll...
Do what? I have the index. You can just float and sputter.
Enough! The Flood is spreading. If we activate Halo's defenses, we can wipe them out.
You have no idea how this ring works, do you? Why the Forerunners built it? Halo doesn't kill Flood. It kills their food. Humans, Covenant, whatever. We're all equally edible. The only way to stop the Flood is to starve them to death. And that's exactly what Halo is designed to do. Wipe the galaxy clean of all sentient life. You don't believe me? Ask him.
Is it true?
More or less. Technically, this installation's pulse has a maximum effective radius of 25,000 light years. But once the others follow suit, this galaxy will be quite devoid of life. Or at least any life with sufficient biomass to sustain the Flood. But you already knew that. I mean, how couldn't you?
Left out that little detail, did he?
We have followed outbreak containment procedure to the letter. You were with me each step of the way as we managed this crisis.
Chief, I'm picking up movement.
Why would you hesitate to do what you've already done?
We need to go right now.
Last time you asked me, if it were my choice, would I do it? Having had considerable time to ponder your query, my answer has not changed. There is no choice. We must activate the ring.
Get us out of here.
If you are unwilling to help, I will simply find another. Still, I must have the index. Give your construct to me, or I will be forced to take her from you.
That's not going to happen.
So be it. Save his head. Dispose of the rest.
Look out!
Bit weird we spawned to the side, but it'll have to do. Already lost some health. It's not going well. An interesting fact is Cortana says things like sod off.
The monitor activate Halo. We have to
Hal
stop
and
him. We have to destroy
Toady.
Halo.
Because she was originally written to be English.
I believe the best
So
course of action is
it's just
somewhat
weird.
risky.
Cool,
An
but
explosion of sufficient size will
actually, you know what?
stabilize the
Her
ring
being
and will
English
cut
would
to a
be
number of primary
would be
systems.
actually quite good.
We need to trigger a detonation on a large scale. Starship's fusion reactors go
We need to
critical.
finish those guys.
I'm going to
Oh.
search what's left of the Covenant battlement and see if I can locate the Pillar of Autumn's crash site. If the ship's fusion reactors are still relatively intact, we can use them to destroy Halo.
Okay. This is the third mission that I did that didn't record. So, we'll give it a go. Oh, grenade! That was scary.
I haven't located the crash site yet, but we need to buy some time, in case the Monitor or his Sentinels find a way to activate Halo's final weapon without the index. The machinery in these canyons are Halo's primary firing mechanisms. They consist of 3 phase pulse generators that amplify Halo's signal and allow it to fire deep into space. The power levels are enormous. I can't even begin to calculate the pulse's range.
No ammo for
So,
this.
if we damage or destroy these generators, the Monitor will need to repair them before Halo can be used. That should buy us some time. I'm marking the location of the nearest pulse generator with a nav point. We need to move in and neutralize the device.
Okay. Come here, buddy. Okay, so basically what we're going to have to do is we're going to have to find the pulse generators, walk into them with our shield, and then it will drain all their shields, and then we'll have to get away from the shield, get away from the pulse generator, whilst having no shield, which is not fun, to put quite simply. It is actually one of my least favourite bits of this game, other than the last level we just played. Oh, we're running low. Okay, we made it through. We're alright now for another little while. If our plasma grenades out, we might be able to get a decent stick. They're so good at dodging in this game. They just know to dodge vehicles and sticky grenades. Did we kill him? Did I see him? His death animation? We did. Okay. That's what we need. That's in the way.
Wait.
Someone just hopped
Commandeer
into
one of
it.
those Banshees. We'll need it to reach the pulse generator in time.
And down here isn't much better. Looks fine at the moment. But the gold elite will show up shortly. That's gold elite, who's lethal accurate. We're just gonna back off there for a second. And now another blue elite. Deal with him. We just can't take the gold elite on mono-y-mono. If we can stick him, that'd be fantastic. Okay, we got him. Take this health pack. Do you know what we could do with this guy? Is he dead? No, he's not. Okay, we got him. I've often wondered about how game makers actually come up with designs like give him the rocket launcher when there's a gold elite or an extra hard enemy. It's just interesting to think about. Right. That thing's a beast. Whoa, that nearly got me. But we're clear. We are clear.
Good.
Into this
Let's
machine.
get moving. The nav point marks our target.
It's beautiful, this game. Right, let's get going to the nav mark. Took care of them. Now, this one's fairly trouble-free because we can just go in. There's no enemies in there. It'd be great if all of them were like this. Well, they wouldn't make much of a game.
That's the pulse generator. The center.
I know the instructions, Cortana.
Objective accomplished. The pulse generator has overloaded. Scanning.
Just slip in here beyond these
Generator's
guys.
central core is offline. Well done.
An extra Banshee
The
because...
second pulse generator is located.
Well, just in case you lost your first one. That's a fuel rod gun. That's gonna...
The second pulse generator is located in the adjacent canyon. Move out and I'll mark the target with a nav point when we get closer.
I'm not happy, I just died.
Bye, Felicia.
Well, they just ran off the building. That works fine. He still got me. Fair play to him.
Head through that
Some
door.
little grunt.
That's the way to the next canyon.
You die. Oh, they're charging their plasma pistols. Red elite, that was worth it. Thank God he missed. Okay, we're in a good position. All these rooms seem crazy. Like, I wish there was an explanation for all of them. I would genuinely love to hear it. You can hear when enemies spawn by listening to their reload sounds for their guns. Get up close to this guy. Problem solved. Now, what will this next room bring to us? Flood! I wasn't expecting that. I'm actually quite unhappy. I should have let them fight the flood. White elite! I forget what they're called, ultras or something. Hide. Okay. We'll just hide. And then the elites will fight. Fight the flood, I think. Oh! Whoa, whoa, whoa! White elite, ultra. Back down we go. We'll take anyone who comes through this narrow passage because we have a shotgun. We got shotgun ammo. We got grenades. It all helps. There's another elite there, but I'd rather if he just ignored me. True we go, true we go. Just leg it, man. We have to go the opposite ways to where the arrows are pointing, because they use the same level and just reverse it through different lighting on it. I forgot about this segment. Fighting the flood. Oh wow, they're jumping over the bridge. They're on the bridge now. Okay, we got rid of a sword elite. That's good. Damn it, I have to back off. Just hide here for a moment. Keep an eye on the radars. We're good, we're good. Sure, we have to cross that other bridge too. Do that again. I have our grenades ready this time because how are you meant to plan around that? Do you know? Oh! But just chance it through here. Come on, rocket launcher flood. We just have to clear this room properly. That's where I've been going wrong. Take your time. Take your time. One by one, brick by brick, toot by toot. To quote Radiohead. Okay, we got rid of that red elite. So the blue guy's nice and handy to handle. If you don't know, the red elites are a higher rank than the blue elites. And they have more shields, they're more accurate. They're just an all-round tougher guy. Okay. Well, at least I got this far this time. A health back there, that all helps. Just keep on moving though. Moving on, no. Okay, this must be the other bridge. A Banshee, rocket launcher flood. This is looking dangerous. Okay, the flood have completely taken over that bridge. There's no Covenant left. Banshee on us. We have a rocket launcher. I just didn't want to have to take him out if I didn't have to. Oh, he's dodging and stuff. Okay. That's that problem solved. We have 9 bullets left in our shotgun, which is not enough. Okay, we got the rocket launcher flood. Might as well get his ammo. 4 rounds, that's helpful. Right, we can do it. We're almost there. I have to reassure myself with talking like that, because you just get upset doing this.
Oh, hi, Mark.
They don't bother us if we don't bother them. I will take that. Missed him. The chain reactions with grenades in this game is just astounding. It's impressive and all, but it's just wow. Off we go. Now I assume there's no stealth section here. I assume it's all just flood, flood, flood. There we go. That way's a no-go. Sorry, I had my hand off the controller for a second. Here we go. I was about to say he hadn't noticed me, I'll just slip past. Ah, the door's here. Very good. I hear rocket launchers. I hear fighting. We will slowly come out here. Okay.
Okay, let's take care of the next pulse generator.
We can make this work. As long as we don't get hit by that guy. We're very close. I'll take that. I'll take that. I'll take that. Ooh. Come on, kill them. Kill them. Old graphics are actually easier to see at the moment. With a life pack and all. The old warthog. My driving is just terrible in these games. It's embarrassing, really. Get in, get in, get in. Stop, stop, get in, get in, get in. Okay, now I need to wait for my shield to recharge. I need to dodge all bullets. Okay. That problem will solve itself. No, it won't. Okay. Now this one's tricky. Putting lightly. He had a rocket launcher, oh my god. We're taking a chance with that. We're hiding from that door because there's Ladines coming through. Oh! Rocket launcher flood. Oh my dear lord. Okay, we're out. We're safe. It's terrifying. Just flood having rocket launchers. Terrifying.
I've located the Pillar of Autumn. She put down 1,200 kilometers upspin. Energy readings show her fusion reactors are still powered up. The systems on the Pillar of Autumn have fail-safes even I can't override without authorization from the captain. We'll need to find him, or his neural implants, to start the fusion core detonation. That tunnel leads to the next section of canyon. The final pulse generator we need to destroy is through there.
Oh, my lord. Rocket just went right over me. Oh my god. I thought he was around the corner. That flood. Okay, that's a no-go. Nothing jumping through. Limited ammo at the moment. There's something up here, I know there is. They're fine. Oh! Those rockets are terrifying me. Die, die, die. Whoa. Okay, now we have no ammo left in this. We'll try this out for size. Where's the control? Here it is. Okay. La la la. Final run. Final run. Let's sneak up on the right. Let's just grab his attention. Whoa! See, the issue is, guys, they just respawn here. If we can get to that ghost, we're safe. We're almost there, we're almost there. Go, 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 Spark, go. If I get hit by a rocket launcher by the... I almost did. I almost did. did we just go straight through that flood? We're on foot from here, guys. Don't look at him, he won't notice us. That's what we're praying for. Yeah, we're in the clear. Oh. I saw the light from that. I saw the light from that. And I was like, oh, there's a rocket passing me. Oh. You've just gotta love the soundtrack to this game, though. I'm not sure I'd have ever gotten into Halo as much if I didn't hear this soundtrack. Does he see us now? He's leaving us more or less alone. We still have some shield. We still have some shield. Come on, in. Okay, we're in. Just look everywhere else, just to keep everyone off us. Haha. Whoa, that was a good shot, buddy. They do a serious amount of vehicle damage. Right. Right. Or a shotgun. That would be grand. An empty shotgun. Okay. Now, as far as I remember, we have to be safe for this one. Or else, there's no one here. I can't remember which. No, there's people here. If it's only them guys, then I'm fine. Okay, this is it. The final pulse generator. In we go.
Final target neutralized. Let's get out of here.
Let's find a ride and get to the captain.
No, that'll take too long.
You have a better idea?
There's a teleportation grid that runs throughout Halo. That's how the monitor moves about so quickly. I learned how to tap into the grid when I was in the control center. Unfortunately, each jump requires a rather consequential expenditure of energy.
Something tells me I'm not gonna like this.
But I'm pretty sure I can pull it from your suit without permanently damaging your shields. Needless to say, I think we should only try this once.
Do